Hello and welcome to our academic channel. Today, we will start Unit 7, which is Health, Food, and Exercise. Our subjects are going to be vocabulary and quantifiers with countable and uncountable nouns. Let's start with the vocabulary. I would like you to repeat after me. Protein. A protein is a naturally occurring extremely complex substance that consists of amino acid joined by peptide bonds. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the sugars and fibers found in fruits, grains, vegetables, and milk products. They are a source of energy for the body. Fats. Fat usually means any ester of fatty acids or a mixture of such compounds, most commonly those that occur living beings or in food. Sugar. Sugars are a type of simple carbohydrate. They have a sweet taste. Sugars can be found naturally in fruits, vegetables, milk and milk products. Vitamins. Vitamins are substances that our body need to develop and function normally. They include vitamins A, C, D, E, and K, choline, and the B vitamins. Minerals. Minerals are those elements on the earth and in foods that our body needs to develop and function normally. Brain. The portion of the central nervous system that is located within the skull. Energy. A fundamental entity of nature that is transferred between parts of a system in the production of physical change within the system and usually regarded as the capacity for doing work. Oxygen, the chemical element of atomic number 8 and the life-supporting component of the air. Iron, an essential mineral. Iron is necessary for the transport of oxygen and for oxidation by cells. Blood, a tissue with red blood cells, white blood cells, and the other substances suspended in fluid called plasma. Blood takes oxygen and nutrients and carries away wastes. Dehydration. Dehydration happens when your body doesn't have as much water as it needs. Without enough, your body can't function properly. Now it's time for quantifiers with countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns which we cannot count. They have both singular and plural forms. One book, two books. One apple, two apples. Uncountable nouns are nouns which we cannot count. Some flour, it's not one flour or two flour, etc. Some bread, some cheese. We use many with countable nouns in the plural, in negative and interrogative sentences. Let's make a carrot cake. Are there many carrots in the fridge? Carrots are countable. Yes, Mum, but there aren't many eggs. Eggs are also countable. Have you got many books? Countable. I haven't got many friends. It's also countable. We use much with uncountable nouns in negative and interrogative sentences. Is there much cheese left? Cheese, it's not countable, it's uncountable. I don't drink much milk. Milk is also uncountable. Is there much ketchup in the bottle? Ketchup is uncountable. There isn't much ketchup in the bottle. A lot of and lots of is used in affirmative sentences with either countable nouns in the plural or uncountable nouns. He has got lots of books. There is a lot of sugar in this cake. So it means that you can use lots of with countables with plurals and a lot of with uncountables. How many and how much are used in questions. We use how many with countable nouns in the plural and how much with uncountable nouns. How many oranges have you got? Countable. How much yogurt do you need? It's uncountable. How many potatoes do we need? How much mustard do we need? A little is used with uncountable nouns. A little means not much, but enough. There is a little juice in the cartoon. You can have some. Juice is uncountable. So it means there is enough juice to drink. A little means not much, but enough. A few. A few is used with countable nouns in the plural. A few means not many, but enough. I have got a few eggs. I can make a cake. So there are enough eggs to make a cake. Let's practice then. Circle the right word. Okay, let's see the answers then. Is there much cheese in the fridge? Cheese is not countable. How many tomatoes have you got? Tomatoes are countable, so we have to use how many. There are a few potatoes in the bag. Potatoes are countable. And also, eggs are countable as well. So we have to say, I've got a few eggs. I can make a cake. There are a lot of people outside the theater. I've got some flour. There aren't many apples left. Thanks for watching.